Want to give your image some fun structure? Adding shapes, it's super simple with Befunky. First, open your image in Befunky. Click on the Graphics tab and select Shapes to explore the variety of shapes available. You'll find circles, squares, triangles, and more. Drag the shape you like onto your image, then resize, rotate, and position it where you want it. You can also change the color, opacity, and even add a border to make the shape stand out more. Once you are happy with your design, click Apply to save your changes. Use shapes to create unique patterns or frames for your photos. They add style without overwhelming the design. What shapes do you usually use in your designs? Share your thoughts below. If this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe, and leave a comment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.